Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to delete PDF pages for free. BoldSign's Delete PDF Pages online tool is fast, 100% free, no sign-up required, and your data never leaves your browser. Let's take a look at the Affidavit of Support document with pages that need to be deleted quickly and easily. BoldSign makes deleting PDF pages simple and straightforward. To start, open your browser and visit the Delete PDF Pages tool on BoldSign's website. The link is in the video description. Here's how it works. Just 3 simple steps. Upload your PDFs. Delete pages in seconds and download the PDFs. First, upload your PDF by clicking Upload to browse and select your file. You can also drag and drop the PDFs in the upload box. In this case, I'll click Upload, select a PDF, and click Open. The file uploads instantly. Once uploaded, the files appear in list on the preview page. To delete an unwanted page from your PDF file, locate the page and click its delete icon. To delete multiple pages, select the pages and click the Delete Pages button. Once completed, proceed to download the final document. You can also make some customizations after deleting the unwanted pages. You can rearrange the order of the remaining pages by dragging the files into position. For each uploaded PDF page, you can collapse the file to combine all pages if it has multiple pages, rotate the page, duplicate it, or preview it. If you missed a file, you could add it, and if you need to insert it at a specific location before or after a certain file, click the plus icon in the desired spot between the file. You can also collapse all the pages of the uploaded file using the Collapse All Pages button. You can switch the view from grid to list and back. Once done with customization, you can also preview the final document just to confirm that everything is okay. If everything looks good, click Download to download the updated PDF document. The tool processes the files instantly and saves the final document to your desktop. When you open the save file, you'll see a clean, professional PDF with all the remaining pages in the correct order. The updated PDF is now ready to use. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.